Today we open bag number 7 together. Now I'm ready. So, if you like taste tests and beauty videos, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to snack number 7. Each day it gets easier to find the right one. I found it already. Close the box. With the penguins on it today. A fun fact about me, number 7 is my lucky number. Okay, how it sounds like popcorn. It should be popcorn or some kind of candy or M&Ms. Let's see. It's a salty snack today from Spain. It's with bacon or meat. Chips with ham flavor. Let me try it. I like the texture of the chips. I prefer this to remember to the bolognese chips from another video from France. And that's why I give it 4 points, because it's very good chips. They're so good. So anyways, that was it for today's video. I wish you a great start for the week. Thank you for watching. Bye.